Today, today's first question is, recently Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been awarded the highest national honor of which country? The Grand Collar of the National Order of the Southern Cross. Option A Chile, B Brazil, C Argentina, D Venezuela. And the correct answer is D Brazil. And the next question is, where will the International Solar Alliance host the 7th Regional Committee meeting for the Asia Pacific region from 15 to 17 July 2025? Option A Colombo, B New Delhi, C Gurugram, D Dhaka. And the correct answer is A Colombo. And the next question is, to whom has the National Commission for Scheduled Caste recently submitted its annual report for the year 2023-24? Option A President, B Prime Minister, C Council of Ministers, D Parliament. And the correct answer is A President. And the next question is, India has overtaken which country to become the 4th largest biofuel consumer in the world in 2024? Option A China, B Japan, C America, D Germany. And the correct answer is A China. And the next question is, which of the following states has implemented a model to predict the probability of death in TB patients? Option A Kerala, B Karnataka, C Goa, D Tamil Nadu. And the correct option is D Tamil Nadu. And the next question is, recently Tata Memorial Hospital Mumbai has started which type of special program for BIMSTEC countries? Option A Cardiology training, B Cancer care training, C Ayurveda medical program, D Mental health awareness campaign. And the correct answer is D Cancer care training. And the next question is, recently which government has launched a pioneering AI-based mosquito control program called Smart Mosquito Surveillance System? Option A Andhra Pradesh, B Bihar, C Haryana, D Rajasthan. And the correct answer is A Andhra Pradesh. And the next question is, recently the Bihar government has announced the domicile policy for how much percentage of reservation in government jobs for women? Option A 33%, B 35%, C 38%, D 45%. And the correct answer is B 35%. And the next question is, recently Adani Power has successfully acquired Vidarbha Industries Power Limited for how many crores? Option A 2000 crores, B 3000 crores, C 4000 crores, D 5000 crore. And the correct answer is C 4000 crores. And the next question is, on which of the following dates is Global Energy Independence Day celebrated every year? Option A 9 July, B 10 July, C 11 July, D 12 July. And the right answer is D 10 July. And the next question is, recently the first indigenous diving support vessel Nistar has been handed over to the Indian Navy by whom? Option A Goa Shipyard Limited, B Hindustan Shipyard Limited, C Cochin Shipyard Limited, D Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders Limited. And the correct option is B. Hindustan Shipyard Limited. And the next question is, in which state will the Conference of Vice Chancellor of Central Universities be organized by the Ministry of Education in July 2025? Option A, Gujarat, B, Rajasthan, C, Haryana, D, Uttarakhand. And the correct option is A, Gujarat. And the next question is, the total numbers of internet subscribers in India has increased to approximately how much by March 2025? Option A, 669 million, B, 769 million, C, 869 million, D, 969 million. And the correct answer is D, 969 million. And the next question is, recently Major General Humaid Mohammad Abdullah, commander of the naval force of which country, has visited India? Option A, Saudi Arabia, B, Iran, C, Iraq, D, United Arab Emirates. And the correct answer is D, United Arab Emirates. And the next question is, recently Asia's oldest elephant Vatsala died in which tiger reserve? Option A, Kanha Tiger Reserve, B, Sundarban Tiger Reserve, C, Panna Tiger Reserve, D, Manas Tiger Reserve. And the correct answer is C, Panna Tiger Reserve. Thanks for watching.